Welcome to the thrv Jobs to Be Done certification course. I'm Jay Haynes, the founder and CEO of thrv. In this course, we'll show you and your teams how to build, market, and sell insanely great products that will beat your competition and win in your market. We will use Apple and Google Maps as our example competitors. Apple and Google are two of the most successful competitors in history, and they have almost total dominance in this market. Imagine you are on a product marketing or sales team, and your mission is to beat Apple and Google Maps. How would you do it? In this introductory video, we will show you how using an innovation method called Jobs to Be Done, also known as JTBD or jobs theory. The core idea behind jobs theory is deceptively simple. Jobs theory shows that your customers are not actually buying your products. They are hiring your products to get a job done. We will explain this in detail throughout this course. This is an extremely powerful insight because your customers' struggle to get their job done is what causes them to make a new purchase. Jobs theory centers your product, marketing, and sales teams on your customers' struggle. This is why it works. And it helps you and your team gain agreement faster on the best product ideas and marketing messages for your roadmap. It will ultimately help your sales team sell more faster. To introduce jobs theory in this video, let's look at how to generate product ideas and marketing messages to beat fierce competitors like Apple and Google Maps. In the 1960s, Professor Theodore Levitt was famous for saying that customers don't want a quarter-inch drill, they want a quarter-inch hole. This idea is the core of jobs theory, and it is true in any market. For example, consumers don't want navigation apps like Apple or Google Maps, which are products. They want to get to a destination on time, which is a job to be done. If you are going to build a product and create marketing messages to beat Apple and Google Maps, you would start by analyzing the customer's job of getting to a destination on time. Your customer's job is your market. It is critical to redefine your market using your customer's job rather than your product. This is a key insight from jobs theory, that while products change over time, your customer's job to be done is stable. History is full of examples of once dominant companies that failed because they defined their markets incorrectly. BlackBerry, Britannica, and Kodak, for example, all failed because they defined their markets using their products. There are no keyboard device, encyclopedia, or film markets. These are all products that changed over time. But there have been and always will be markets to execute jobs while mobile, to find information and to share memories. Apple, Google, and Facebook became three of the most valuable companies in history in the exact same markets as BlackBerry, Britannica, and Kodak. We will explore this in much more detail throughout this course. In our course, we will use consumer, business, and medical market examples. To execute jobs theory successfully, there are three main steps. The first is to identify unmet customer needs in your market. The second is to identify weaknesses in your competitors' products. And the final step is to generate high-growth product ideas and marketing messages that will sell more of your product faster. Let's identify unmet customer needs. This brings up a fundamental question that jobs theory helps you answer. What is a customer need? Almost all companies do not have an agreed-upon definition of a customer need. This is a serious problem, and it is probably true at your company. Jobs theory starts with the recognition that your customer's job is a goal they need to achieve. In other words, it is a problem they need to solve. Therefore, customer needs are the variables in the problem that your customer is trying to solve. In the 1940s, a mathematician named George Polya developed a method to solve problems that entailed four main steps: understanding the problem, planning to solve it, executing the solution, and assessing how well the solution worked. In jobs theory, we add a revision step and a conclusion step to categorize the 6 types of job steps a customer needs to go through to solve their problem. In other words, to get their job done. For example, in getting to a destination on time, a consumer has to estimate the departure time, plan the stops, travel to the destination, assess when the destination will be reached along the way, reset the route if a delay is encountered, and finally park the vehicle. Like most jobs, this job is complex. These are 12 of the steps for a consumer to get to a destination on time. Job steps are important to solving your customers' problems because they help you identify the variables, in other words, your customers' needs in their job. In jobs theory, a customer need is an action a customer must take using a variable to get the job step done. This is an important concept to remember. Let's look at customer needs in getting to a destination on time. One of the job steps is to plan the stops. In order to successfully plan stops in a busy day, a consumer must know the optimal sequence of stops, the routes to the stops, and the open times at the stops. These are all variables in this job step. A consumer has to take actions with each of these variables. For example, a consumer needs to determine the optimal sequence to make planned stops. Now that we have actions and variables in the job step, we have well-defined and quantitative customer needs. As we saw before, products change over time, but customer jobs are stable. This is true for customer needs as well. They are stable and do not change over time. This is a huge advantage with jobs theory. You will have a stable set of customer needs for your product, marketing, and sales teams to target. Because all customer needs have a customer action and a variable, you can measure the speed with which the customer can take the action and the accuracy of the variable. This is another important jobs theory concept. In every market, your customers want to get their job done fast and accurately. So your goal as product marketing and sales teams is to help your customer get their job done as fast and accurately as possible. To uncover customer needs, you can conduct customer interviews to define your customer, identify the job, and the job steps in your market, and uncover all the variables the customer needs in each step. We will show you how to conduct these interviews in later lessons. In our example job of getting to a destination on time, there are over 100 customer needs, which is typical of every job to be done. Your innovation efforts should focus on unmet customer needs in your market, which brings up another fundamental question. What is an unmet customer need? Since we know a customer need is an action a customer must take using a variable to get a job step done, if the action is not quick and/or the variable is not accurate, the need is unmet by current competitive solutions in the market. This makes sense because we know that a customer's struggle to get a job done is what causes a purchase. In our example of getting to a destination on time, determining the optimal sequence of planned stops is a manual process that is slow and inaccurate. So this is an unmet need in this market. You can survey your customers to identify and prioritize unmet needs in any job. A survey enables you to identify the most underserved and most valuable customer segment in your market. And your quantitative survey will help you size your market opportunity and price your product. We will show you how to survey your customers in later lessons. The next step to execute jobs theory is critically important. You should identify your competitors' product weaknesses so you can exploit them. You can identify your competitors' weaknesses using unmet needs in your customer's job. For example, if a consumer were to determine the optimal sequence of planned stops using Apple or Google Maps, how would she do it? She would have to enter destination A to B, calculate the route and time, enter destination A to C, calculate the route and time, and replan if going from A to C first was faster. Then repeat this manual process for every possible combination of stops in her day. If she tried to do this with multiple stops in a busy day, it would be time-consuming and frustrating. This manual optimization process would likely be inaccurate because she would have to know all the possible routes, traffic, construction, events, and weather along the routes. So the speed is slow and the accuracy is low if she could even successfully determine the optimal sequence at all. This is a weakness in Apple and Google Maps. A competitor weakness is slow and inaccurate satisfaction of an unmet need in the customer's job. This is how you can use your customer's job to discover weaknesses in even the most successful competitors, including Apple and Google. Finally, let's generate the best high-growth product ideas and marketing messages. Your customer's unmet needs in their job are the criteria to judge your product feature ideas for your roadmap. So let's compare two product ideas to satisfy this customer need. Our first idea is to create an assistant service. A customer would call a remote assistant who would have access to their calendar. The assistant would make recommendations to reorder their stops to keep them on time. We can estimate the speed and accuracy of our new feature idea. It would take a couple of minutes, and the assistant would be able to find more information about the routes and destination, so the service would likely be more accurate. Our second idea is called Sync and Optimize. This feature will sync with a user's calendar like this one. The feature will include an optimization algorithm that will factor in which stops can be moved, what the likely local traffic conditions will be at the time, and any atypical travel conditions, like traffic or weather, that may occur as the departure time approaches. A user simply clicks the optimization button, and the Sync and Optimize feature automatically optimizes the sequence of their planned stops in their day. We can now assess the speed and accuracy of our Sync and Optimize feature against Apple and Google Maps and against our feature assistant idea. It would take only a second to use the customer's Sync and Optimize feature, and we can test the optimization algorithm to ensure it is highly accurate. Because jobs theory helps your team quantify how fast and accurately your product ideas will help your customer get their job done, this method helps you and your team gain agreement on your product roadmap features faster and with fewer heated debates. Our Sync and Optimize feature will satisfy an unmet customer need faster and more accurately than our competitors in this market, Apple and Google Maps. Customer value is getting your customer's job done faster and more accurately. Products that create more customer value win over time in every market. You can use unmet customer needs in your customer's job to create marketing messages that will resonate. In our example, we would call our new product On Time and message to optimizing a consumer's busy day to keep them on time, confident, and relaxed. This is how you use jobs theory to build a feature thesis for your product roadmap. It starts with defining your customer and their job to be done, and then identifying the job step and the unmet needs you will target. Your feature idea should clearly explain how it will satisfy an unmet need faster and more accurately than your competitors. And your marketing message should explain how your feature satisfies the unmet need to generate positive emotions for your customer. product ideas that get the job done, and marketing messages that resonate with your customers' unmet needs result in selling more of your product faster. This lesson has given a brief introduction to jobs theory. In the next lesson, we will show you how to define your customers to avoid customer flaws that result in your competition stealing your customers and your market share. For our Jobs to be Done how-to guides, software, and certification course, visit us at thrv.com.